its coursework is, I think, TAM 513. This is its course number, TAM 530. Note down this course number. This is also essential. Okay. So now you have your schemes with you. Can I have one scheme? You can share because some student took my scheme. I don't know whose. So this is your scheme, and it has got 8 experiments in it, right? There are 8 experiments. 8 experiments mean 8 organic preparations. There are 8 organic compounds which you are going to prepare, right? So we are going to move on with the availability of our chemicals that are present in our lab, right? I will check it out that which chemicals are there, and then we can proceed on. So how you are going to start? You will simply write down experiment number 1 in your journal, and you will do everything directly on the journal. Okay, you are not going to copy paste from this journal and from the register, rough registers, and then the journal. No, do it directly. Write down the experiment, write down the date, and start working. And when you end up, I will just put a line inside on the paper, and I will put a signature that you did your work till here, right? So this is the way to work in a organic chemistry lab, right? Because when you will tomorrow, inshallah, you will be in your final year. So you should, and then you will be doing, some of you will be doing choosing apples. So you should be having, when you are working in a lab, you should have a log book. There is always a log book in which you record all your findings. You write down all your dates. You write everything, whatever you are, because you have to plan for each and every experiment and how you are planning, right? So in that sense, you are going to write down the heading, that is experiment, because this is simply a preparation. You are going to prepare an organic compound, right? So for that you will be needing few things. So what would be the object? Object would remain the same, that is preparation of, I have chosen this experiment, that is preparation of para-nitroacetanilide, preparation of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. Now there are various methods to prepare para-nitroacetanilide, but we have selected this method in which we are going to nitrate acetanilide. Now what is nitrate? What is nitration? There are few things which you are supposed to know. What is nitration? Nitration is a simple method of producing a nitronium ion, and that nitronium ion, it attacks the ring, right? This is something, it is simply a two-step reaction mechanism, right? So we just go through this nitration reaction first. And I have explained in one of my videos on LMS also that how a diagram, I've shared also in the group. Yesterday I've shared also in the WhatsApp group. Check it out. Okay, I have uploaded shared two videos which are on your LMS also, right? So now this is a nitration. Of course, this is preparation of para-nitroacetanilide. That means it is to do something with nitrating mixture. There are few terms which you are supposed to know. What is a nitrating mixture? Nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. And whenever in chemistry we are talking about, or we refer to some acid, we always meant by that it's a concentrated form. We never, if it's not in a concentrated form, then we always write the DIL with it. That is the dilute form. Otherwise, it is understood that it is concentrated, right? And whenever we speak like that, water, what does that mean? Distilled water, not a tap water. Tap water is only used for washing your glassware, and then its work is over, right? Its duty is over. No more tap water is included, right? Then wherever water is there, that means distilled water. These are few things. You are mature kids, you are in the second semester, you should know all the things, but I am only revising these things so that if you were not in touch with the lab since COVID-19, so that's why I just needed to let you know. So what you are going to do before starting the experiment, you are supposed to organize you will read, okay, today our topic is preparation of para-nitroacetanilide. Now after that, you are going to sort out which chemicals you are going to use. You will just read the chemicals, you will read the glassware, which glassware is there, which chemicals are present in understand what things are there which you are supposed to be needing. So after object, you are going to write down glassware and chemicals, right? And you will find out the list of the chemicals that are included, and you will write down all those things over here. Then of course comes the equation. You will write down this equation over here, the same equation. Now in this particular experiment, what is happening, that acetanilide, when you nitrate acetanilide, you are going to get two products. One is a transition state product, that is the ortho product, that is water soluble and will be washed out when you will filter out, when you will do the washing of your product, prepared product. And you will be left with this product, that is para-nitroacetanilide, which is 80%. I mean, there is a lot of difference between the two ortho and para products. The ortho product is 20% only, whereas the para product, which is our goal, which is what we are looking for, which we want, is how much? Is 80%. So this is our product which we need. So you are going to get acetanilide, nitroacetanilide, how much? 80%. You will, in the end of the experiment, you will be left with this product, that is 80%, right? And where? Hello everyone, so as I am right now just near my BS Part 3 and MSc Previous Lab, I have assigned them the experimental process, and now I'm going to see that what they have prepared and how they are prepared. So it's almost half an hour, so let's see what they're up to. So as I was telling that my students were preparing the compound, so they have now prepared this compound. This is it. This is para-nitroacetanilide. Its yield is very little, but with the passage of time or over months, they will come to know how to make in bulk. So these are some students. They are standing here and they have worked well. I'm only filming the boys. Not the girls. So right now they are my students and they have worked very well, and this is the proof that they have done their work. So I am now back from my lab because my students have done well, and I'm happy that they have finished their work. And you might have seen that they have prepared the quantity with what we were looking for. So I'm happy they have done their work today. Great.